What is going on, guys? I got another video today. I got a special video, so I hope you guys enjoy it because I've never tried it this way, but I'm willing to give it a shot. So without further ado, let's get to the video. Alright, we're back. What I have here is I have my food. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk to you guys. I'm going to eat as well. I've never tried this before, so if this is gross, then I won't ever do this again. But I'll try not to eat like nasty, so bear with me. I've also got my trusty Coca-Cola Zero. Thanks out of everyone, because he's the one who drinks Coca-Cola Zeros. I drink. You can't really see, but this is regular Coke. And as always, I got Alex Trebek here with me. I always have, I want to have a Funko Pop in like my next videos as I come out with them. So this is kind of like a round robin table discussion where I'm just going to be like chatting about stuff. That's really good. So what I have here is Texas loaded cheese fries from Chili's, and it's loaded with cheese, bacon, potatoes, scallions, that kind of thing. It's also got I asked them to like slice chicken strips on it, and just like sprinkle it on top. I also got ranch in here somewhere. It's so good. You're just gonna have to watch and see what I do. Also, this was a what you call it, an appetizer, but I had to make it as a meal. I'm still sorry for speaking gross. This is so nasty. Well, this is so good. Alex, you want to eat some with me? Yeah. I think one of my favorite books I've got recently has been, oh gosh, can't remember. I'm drawing a blank right now. I can't remember what it's called. The book though, the kid, like, the guy goes in between like present and future and past. It's like a war novel. Something about, gosh, I can't remember. It's about shooting or tragedy that happened in World War II. I think Dresden, Ireland. For the life of me, I cannot figure out what it's called though. And I could pause the video and go find out, but I'm just gonna have this go live. But whatever the book was, I got it free with a Reddit gift exchange, which will be really neat. If you ever get a chance to be on Reddit and dive in for a little bit, go for it. I was told one time that it's like the back page website for like the internet, which is kind of cool, because it is really everything you need on the internet you can basically find on Reddit or Facebook. You can always trust Facebook. I'm kidding. But I got it from a Reddit gift exchange, and I got like 5 or 6 books with it, so I do appreciate somebody just sent me like 5 or 6 books, which is good because my first time doing an exchange through Reddit was Santa exchange for my first ever, and I didn't get a rematch, nor did I get an original, so I've gotten some good gifts since. I've gotten some I've given some good gifts since too. So that's been good. This is gonna be an awkward video. If anybody wants to come on and be interviewed with me, let's go live together. Hit me up. I mean it. Come on, do it, please. What do you guys like to do? Like collecting, hobby-wise? I've been collecting little odds and ends like baseball cards, stuff like that, books, Funko Pops. Since I was really young. My dad really got me started on that. With collecting baseball cards. I love baseball. So I'll collect whatever is baseball related or sports related right now because there's nothing right now for sports. But right now, not only right now at least, sorry I have to swallow, but there's like a huge rush when I get collecting, so it's really nice to like feel like I'm accomplishing something, but I'm accomplishing my therapy retail goal. No, that's not what I meant. Retail therapy, sorry. About halfway done with this food. I feel like the way Alex is looking at me right now, through the lens or through the camera, like he's like internally judging me with those black eyes and that card. By the way, if you're watching this, Coca-Cola is not sponsored. Is not sponsored in this video. But why would they sponsor this video? I'm like brand new. Got an extra like 5 followers. You know what would be cool though? Is if I did get sponsored by Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola, hit me up, man. I basically got like a mini collection of Coca-Cola toys, stuff, drinks. I'm thinking about playing a video game or a board game by myself. I'm just like enacting all the parts. Oh my god, a really good one. You guys probably saw it earlier. It's called the Conspiracy Theory game. That's a really neat one. Some outlandish stuff. Super duper funny though. But some people believe that stuff. Like I don't believe that too much. But the people who made that game, they had to believe that stuff. As the kids say, that was whack. So sorry if you guys don't like this. I like food. I think eventually in my life, my goal is to own like a restaurant or like a food truck. Most of my jobs have been in the food industry. Or customer service. I really like it. I really enjoy working with food. I cooked noodles or spaghetti for my parents about a week or so ago, maybe. I think it was like about a week or so exactly, and it was like the most. It was delectable, delicious. What other words can I say for that? Outstanding quality. Quality, if you didn't catch that. Oh my gosh, that was delicious, man. If I could make something again, I definitely would make that again. But I don't like to make the same thing 2 times in a row, because I know if I eat it 2 times in a row, I get like, I don't want that. I get tired of it, you know. So I'm sure people think that the same way about my food, but I really want to make that. I just gotta find out like a variant of it. So I'll try to probably be working out that later today. Cause I'm gonna try to make dinner tonight. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make dinner tonight. You guys heard it first. Actually, I'll hear it way later than that because my mom told me about it yesterday. That it's my day to make dinner. I do like making food though, so I don't care. Look at me. I'm eating. I'll come up with belly later. Sorry, that was probably about a minute of me chewing. You probably don't. I'm so sorry about this, guys. If I'm a loud chewer, please let me know. Don't let me know. Actually, that's not right. Don't do that. Don't let me know. I do want to give out a shout out to this shirt that I've always worn and this hat that I've always worn. All out the Jacksonville Demo Shrimp. Back in my hometown of Jacksonville, Florida, I worked on. I was an intern for this team. I was like a ticket sales intern, and it was like one of the best experiences of my life. Made so many good friends, met a lot of good people. Classic. Sorry. Well, this is my first time doing this. So if y'all hate it, don't let me know. Don't let me know. I can't stand for that. Please don't let me know. Please. What am I doing? I'm trying to be funny. It's not really working. Oh, I just remembered the book. Oh, what was it? Oh gosh, I had it. I have the cover of it in my head. It's like orange, dark orange, close to red. Cannot remember me. Hey. Oh my gosh. Slaughterhouse 5. That's what it is. Slaughterhouse 5. That's a good book. Took me just about 10 minutes to remember and just had a random flashback in my head to remember. Oh, Slaughterhouse 5, that's it. Silly me. I got one more forkful. I don't know if this video is going to do well, but if it does, and you made it this far, I want you to comment Microsoft. Comment the word Microsoft if you made it this far. Please do. If you do, I'll love you forever. And half-past 12. Oh, almost 12. Anyway, please do, yeah. Alright, I'm just about done, guys. Victory! That'll do it for us, guys. It's me, Logan. It's Alex the Funko, my shirt, and my Coke. Peace, my dudes.